There's no one-size-fits-all when it comes to finding the perfect side hustle for you. But before you quit your day job, start a business, or take on a second full-time role, consider this. Extra income doesn't have to mean extra stress. Side hustles are a great way to earn more money without burning out from working a second full-time job. Plus, they can help you explore new career paths and bring in some extra cash to pay off debt, save for retirement, or just have some fun. And there are so many options to choose from. So whether you're looking for remote work, flexible hours, or something that can turn into a full-time gig, here are a few side hustle ideas to get those creative juices flowing. If you find one that sparks your interest, we'll also share some resources to help you get started. Number 1. Become a social media manager. Love organizing and have an eye for detail? Consider becoming a social media manager. You'll be responsible for creating and sharing engaging content, interacting with followers, and growing their online presence. This side hustle can be done remotely and often has flexible hours. Plus, if you do it well, you could even turn it into a full-time career. Resources. Take courses on platforms like Skillshare to learn the latest social media marketing strategies. Build your own portfolio by offering to manage the social media accounts of friends or family for free. And network with other professionals in the field by attending industry events or joining relevant online groups. Number 2. Start a blog. Are you passionate about a particular topic? Do you love writing or have a knack for teaching others? If so, starting a blog might be the perfect side hustle for you. Not only is it a great way to make extra money, but it can also be a fun and rewarding experience. With a little hard work and dedication, you can create a successful blog that brings in a steady stream of income. Resources. Take a course on platforms like Skillshare to learn the basics of blogging. Use free platforms like WordPress or Squarespace to create your website, and promote your blog through social media channels to attract readers. Number 3. Teach English as a second language. Have you considered teaching English as a second language? It's a great way to connect with people from all over the world and make a difference in their lives while earning extra income. You don't need to be a professional teacher to get started. Many online platforms offer flexible hours and the ability to set your own rates. Plus, with the right preparation, you can feel confident in your ability to teach English effectively. Resources. Get certified to teach English as a second language through online courses or in-person classes. Create an account on freelance platforms to find students and set your rates. And use free resources like online whiteboards to make your lessons more interactive. 4. Sell crafts or artwork online. Are you a crafty person who loves making unique items? Why not turn your hobby into a side hustle by selling your crafts or artwork online? Platforms like Etsy and Shopify allow you to create an online store and reach a global audience. You can sell a wide range of items from jewelry and clothing to home decor and art prints. Not only will this side hustle allow you to earn extra income, but it will also give you a creative outlet and the satisfaction of building your own business. Resources. Learn how to create a website and list your products on platforms like Shopify or Wix. Take courses on platforms like Skillshare to improve your craft or learn new skills. And market your products through social media channels to reach potential customers. Number 5. Become a virtual assistant. Are you highly organized and great at managing details? Consider becoming a virtual assistant. As a VA, you'll provide administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients remotely. This side hustle can be done part-time and often has flexible hours. Plus, you can work from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection. Resources. Take a course on platforms like Skillshare to learn the ins and outs of being a VA. Create a website to showcase your services and build your portfolio. And network with other VAs by joining online communities and attending industry events. Remember, the best side hustle is the one that you enjoy doing and that fits your lifestyle. Don't be afraid to try something new and make some extra money. While working a second full-time job may seem like the quickest way to increase your income, It can lead to burnout and decreased productivity. Instead, explore the many benefits of a side hustle. Not only can it provide extra income, but it can also help you explore new career paths, develop new skills, and boost your creativity. Plus, it can be a great way to test out a new career path before making a major change. So, if you've been thinking about starting a business or trying something new, why not give a side hustle a try? With so many options available, you're sure to find the perfect fit for you.